This is the term 2 week 8 chemistry AMS. I think you can, yeah, okay. Well, I'll start because it's easy. Not properties of noble gases. Obviously, they don't decrease down the group. They're supposed to increase, and they are not highly reactive. They're inert. What came today? They monoatomic came, inert came. Some people they put this answer in the exam. They put group 8. I mean, they put column 8, and they put group V. Okay, why you guys put this is because you're used to saying group 8. It's actually column 18, but group 8, but column 18. If they said group 8, that's correct, but they're saying column 18. Okay, اصلا when they said group V in the periodic, group V means group 5. Okay, so أكيد that's wrong. Please يعني حرام عليكم, don't know this والله. Don't get this wrong. Question 2. Okay, which is true about a compound that has a low potential energy? Low potential energy means it doesn't react. Okay, if it doesn't react, then it's stable. Question 3. What are true about ion formation? I'm gonna skip this question because خلاص يعني negative ion, it's released because you don't need to put in energy if you want to attract an electron. There's already attractive forces between the electron and the positively charged nucleus. And why is energy absorbed when you want to make it positive? Because you have to separate the electrons, so you have to absorb energy. Wrap. Okay, question 4. What's true about electrons in an isolated atom? Electrons, we said they move randomly. Repeat. What are true about isotopes? Isotopes have the same atomic number, different mass numbers, same number of protons. Do they have the same number of neutrons? No, they have different number of neutrons. Which determines the chemical properties? We always said it's atomic number. Question 7. Which are the inert gaseous elements? Inert يعني the stable ones. The stable ones we said are the noble gases, and you get them from the periodic table. Group 18, that one column. Let me show you. Noble gases. It's, yeah, these ones, they're in group 18 here. Helium is also counted as one. So these are the noble gases. You guys know them يعني. المهم question 8 خلاص. Which ones have a stable electron? Again, stable يعني noble gases, same thing, the same noble gases. Question 9. Which of the atoms are unreactive? Monatomic يعني which one is a noble gas that has an atomic number equal to 2? Helium's atomic number is 2. You can get it from the periodic table. So obviously it's just going to be helium. You get it from the periodic table. And an ionic bond is formed when an electron is transferred permanently to another atom. Ionic bonds are always formed when you're transferring electrons. Okay, the metal loses an electron and the non-metal gains an electron. The resulting ions attract each other, thus energy is released. Whenever you're always forming a compound, energy is always released once you're forming a compound. A stable crystal is produced, leading to a decrease in the potential energy, because since it's stable, potential energy is always low. Question 11. The atomic, memorize this. The diameter is the distance between two nuclei, and it's always 10 to the negative 10. Question 12. A gaseous element at RTP is F2. The other choices are mercury and bromine, and you guys know that those two are always liquids. NEARK, these are the noble gases, and they are stable. They form under certain conditions extremely reactive compounds. Only under certain conditions. Remember, I said this last week. Only under certain conditions they're reactive. Question 14. A stable nucleus is the one that exists indefinitely. Yeah, so a stable nucleus is defined as atoms that exist indefinitely. يعني indefinitely أنا صراحة I don't know what it meant. بس يعني it can always exist. Yeah, exist indefinitely means يعني it can exist forever. It doesn't need anything to bond to. Question 15. The letter A is the mass number, Z is atomic number. This is easy. Protons is 35. Neutrons you do 80 minus 35. Electrons is always the same as protons. 16. I'm gonna skip this, okay? Because يعني I've done this a bit too many times. 17. Again, I'm gonna skip this because this is easy. The atom, you just take the neutral one. Positive, you just take the positive one. And negative, you take the negative one. Question 18. The protons in an atom is the atomic number, and which one is atomic number 2? Just take the one with 2 protons. 19. The mass number indicates the number of protons and neutrons. Which one has this symbol? 2 minus 1 is 1, so you have 1 neutron and 1 proton, so it's going to be this one. Okay? Question 20. Isotopes are defined as the same element that have the same atomic number but different mass number. Which one is an isotope of hydrogen? So which one has one proton also, other than this? This is H11 because 1 minus 1 is 0 neutrons and 1 proton. This is this, but they want the isotope of it. So which one has the same number of protons but different neutrons? It's actually this one has 1 proton but actually 1 neutron. So it's different. Question 21. Atoms have a positively charged nucleus around which particles called electrons move. You know this, and the diameter is 10 to the minus 10. The nucleus is positively charged because it contains protons and neutral particles called neutrons. This is easy. Okay. Chlorine has 17 protons and 18 neutrons. What's the atomic number? You just take the protons. Sodium has 11 protons and 12 neutrons. What's the mass number? You just add them. Question 25. Protons and neutrons are made up of quarks. Memorize that. What's the symbol of nitrogen? Obviously, you need the mass number and you need the atomic number. Atomic number is always the protons, and the mass number is protons plus neutrons. And 7 plus 7, 14. Question 27. A hydrogen nuclide that consists of 1 proton and 1 neutron is deuterium. You have to spell it properly. 1 proton, 1 neutron. So in total, it's 2. And when it's in total 2, it's deuterium. Okay. Question 28. Which ones are liquids? You know, it's mercury and bromine, Br. Which one has 1 less electron than Kr? You need a periodic table for this. Okay, periodic table. Here. Which one has 1 less electron than Kr? You just go, where's Kr? Kr, 1 less electron, you just move to the left and it's bromine. Okay. Na has 1 more electron than Ne. Again, periodic table. Na, where is Na? Here. So what comes before Ne? 10. Neon. Oh wait, no, what comes before Na? Ne, which is 10. Because Na is 11, you look for 10, which is neon. Question 31. Okay. Just know, as atomic number increases, boiling point increases. So if it's starting from smallest to lowest, it's from smallest to highest, it goes up, and again smallest to highest. Here again smallest to highest, it goes smallest to highest. Okay, that's it for chemistry. Good luck tomorrow. I hope you do good. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.